Hello everyone, my name is Sharma and I'm a technical trainer at Netcom Learning. In the past, I have also worked as an AI and Cloud Instructor. One of the most valuable thing I would like to share with all of you about my journey with the AICT program was it taught me how to connect the technical knowledge with real world application. I plan to apply these insights which I gained in my future training session by making them more and more hands-on oriented as well as industry relevant. So the learners can immediately see how these concepts actually work in real scenarios. I would definitely recommend the AICT program to others because it's very well structured, practical, and it provides the right balance between theory and application. That makes it an excellent choice. If you're planning to upskill, do give it a try, and that's my message to everybody listening me out there. Thank you.